Hello, today we're going to learn about intercultural communication in everyday life so that the student can recognize cultural difference in communication and respond respectfully using English expressions. So let's start with a simple question for you, Anthony. When people from different cultures communicate, do they always behave the same way?
No,
Exactly. Communication style can vary greatly depending of the culture. For example, in some cultures, people look directly into each other's eyes during conversation. In other cultures, avoiding eye contact show respect. So, other question for you, Anthony. What happened in your culture?
in my culture, it's not a problem if people don't look each other in the eyes.
Interesting. This show that cultural difference can influence communication. Now, let's learn some useful expression. In this case, which are in my culture, people usually. Other expression is in my culture, people. Other expression, this cause uh, misunderstanding because, and other expression, we must respect cultural difference. So, these expressions help us talk about cultural respectfully in English. Okay, now um, let's uh, going to play a short game with Kahoot to test our knowledge of cultural communication. So your task is read the question and choose the best answer. So the first question say in many Western culture, making eye contact demonstrate
Sí,
see confidence and respect. Perfect. So, in this case, the eye contact usually demonstrate confidence and respect. So, other question: which sentences show intercultural respect?
sí,
I want to learn about your culture. Correct. Yeah. Okay. Um, in this case, borrowing is a way to show courtesy. Next question. What is a good attitude when communicating with people from other cultures?
hey,
Curiosity and respect. Correct. So, in this case, the perception of time can be different in each culture. So this question say, in some culture, people bow when getting someone. What does this demonstrate?
B.
Respect and courtesy. Very good. So, the other question, and finally say, if some from another culture arrive late to a meeting, what should you do?
D.
Your answer: understand the cultural difference in the perception of time. Okay, excellent job. In this case, this help us communicate better. So, in this activity, demonstrate that cultural difference influence communication and that understanding them help avoid misunderstandings. So now let's practice um, the, 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 this word we are the learning. So you're imaginate you work with people from different countries. So my question for you, Anthony, is what cultural difference could lead to a misunderstanding?
Gesture maybe.
Okay. Um, now, complete. I need you complete these sentences. Maybe in my culture.
People usually address those they respect with formal respect.
Okay. Excellent reflection. So, understanding cultural difference help us to communicate respectfully in international settings. So, today in this class or session, we are learning that communication styles can vary depending on the cultures. By a way of this difference helps to be more respectful and effective communication in English. So, my justification for this lesson is that integrate intercultural communicative competence, helping study understanding cultural difference in communication. And I apply an interactive methodology similar to CLEL. I connecting cultural content with language learning. The student also practice oral expression, vocabulary, and communicative skills. Furthermore, I consider the student motivation through a gamificate activity with Kahoot to increase participation and incorporate ethical awareness, cultural respect, and autonomy. Thank you.